Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi my fellow earthlings. Now this is a tutorial video demonstrating how to break a toy. Now this playful musical tortoise is notoriously called Go Away Tortoise. And the beauty of this tortoise toy is that it compels a child here, this beautiful female child playing with the toy. It goes away from the infant and which compels the baby to go, and it compels the wonderful baby to reach out to this toy, and once it comes under the grasp of this wonderful lady, this is what this beautiful baby does to the toy. You hold the toy, then you kick the toy with your little wonderful feet and legs. You kick the toy as much as possible, and once a toy which was once, this is how you do it. And this was the first attempt to break it. You kick it, you punch it, you kick it as much as you want, as much as it gives you pleasure, that dopamine kick which you receive by kicking.